everyone, I'm heidiroro and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a super fun Korean inspired makeup look using the 16Brand Eye Magazine Eyeshadow. Basically, there are two shades. There's one that's a lighter shade on top and a darker brown shade on bottom with a small little brush included. With one swipe, you can create the most perfect ombre effect eyeshadow look. So that's what I'm going to test today. I did my base makeup off camera and I just drenched so much setting spray so I look extremely dewy, and all the products that I used on my face will be listed in the description box below. I just really wanted to speed things up and really focus on this eyeshadow as well as some eyeliners and lippies from the brand. I got all of these products in Japan and this is a Korean brand, and I really just wanted to focus on the Korean brand products. So if you guys want to see a tutorial using this eyeshadow as well as the lippies, then let's get started. Usually with these types of products, the brush is the first thing that I throw away, but actually this brush is essential to create that perfect ombre effect eyeshadow look. You can basically create 3 different looks with this same eyeshadow palette. You can go for a natural look, and by doing that, you want to put your brush at the highest where this peachy coral shade is, and that way you'll get less of this dark brown shade. If you go more towards the middle, then you're going to create a more bolder look, and if you go all the way to the bottom and have a majority of the brown shade, they call that the smoky look. So essentially you can create 3 different looks with this one eyeshadow. I know that the 16Brand Eye Magazine product comes in I think 4 to 5 different shades from what I remember, but I just got this one because I felt like most of them looked very similar in shade range, so I wanted to test out this one and see if I did like it, then I would order more later. You're supposed to do 1 or 2 swipes to get that even pigmentation, and I basically did it like right in the middle, so I wanted that bold look. And once you get even pigmentation on the brush, you're supposed to swipe from inner to outer. And by doing that, you're just going to blend everything. You do the same by putting the lighter shade towards the front and the darker shade towards the back for your lower lashes. The one thing right off the bat that I don't like about this packaging is there is no small mirror. That would be the most perfect combination. That way you can just do it on the go and get on with your day. I'm going to get a compact mirror and try again. Swipe. Alright, so I applied it. The fact that this brush is more of a square-like shape, I do notice as I'm going towards my inner corner and blending it out, it kind of gets right here and it's not a cute effect. So what I would do is blend with just a regular brush afterwards to get a more just blended look altogether, because right now I don't like how it kind of clumps up in the inner corner. I don't know, I think it's just because I don't really do my makeup like this that it looks kind of strange to me. I feel like the natural way, which is putting the brush all the way to the top, is probably the best way that I would go about it. And I would start from the inner corner and then get that dark shade towards the end. The whole point of the Eye Magazine is so that it's like a one swipe motion. It's super easy. Along with the Eye Magazine, I got 2 eyeliners that I wanted to test out. This is the 16 Eye Pencil Liner, and I got this in shade Vampy Plum as well as Burgundy. I probably will use Vampy Plum on my top lid, and I'll use Burgundy on my lower lash line. Off camera, I did add some colored contacts. The ones I'm wearing are from Pia Little Moon. I'm using the Water shade, and it is a blue colored contact. It's very comfortable and it's also prescribed. So if you guys are interested, I will try to find it and link it down below. Something that I would recommend for you guys is instead of going straight on from inner corner to outer corner, I would kind of go at a slant. That way it kind of falls naturally with your eye shape. But I would still recommend getting a fluffy brush and just going back and forth in windshield wiper motions just to blend anything out so that there is no harsh edges. Yes, this look is extremely simple and it did give me that ombre effect, but I just feel like blending out that shimmer shade, it's going to look a lot more blended and it just looks like you put a little bit more effort. I think just by itself with this brush, it can come off a little bit harsh. So for me personally, I will continue to use this, but I am going to use a fluffier brush to blend everything out. I definitely do like the eyeliners. I think they're creamy, and even when I was wiping it off the back of my hand, it was actually pretty difficult to rub off, so at least the lasting power is there. So I definitely do recommend this. Last but not least, I got 3 of the 16 finger pens, and essentially it's just a cushion ballpoint for your lips, and it's going to give you that perfect pout. I got Poppy Red, Peach Bonbon, and Crush Red. All 3 of these shades are actually really pretty and can work with my eye look, so I'm going to test all 3. So this is again Poppy Red. And the way I like to apply this is making sure that the pigmentation is deepest right in the center, like right here, and then whatever is left over, I just kind of blend everything out, but I don't add any more clicks. And this is in Peach Bonbon. This kind of looks more mauve-y than peach to me, but this is definitely a My Lips But Better kind of shade. It looks very similar to my current lips, but it just gives a little bit more pigmentation and gives me that nice little pout. Last but not least, this is Crush Red, which is a really nice deep plum shade. Overall, I do like this eyeshadow. It really is very quick, very easy, and it just gives you that nice gradient look. So if you are a newbie at eyeshadow or even someone that is just on the go constantly, I would definitely recommend this. I will make sure to link all of these products down below. Just knowing that this is a Korean brand and it is constantly getting sold out, that just gives me so much pride in my country that they are doing so well in the makeup community, and I just wanted to highlight products from the 16 brand. I feel like the eyeshadow blends really nicely. Even though it was a little bit finicky when I first started using it, it actually did blend out super easily, and this is such an everyday look. The shade itself that I bought is called Everyday because yeah, it is an everyday look. It's so perfect because it's small, petite, you can put it in your bag, it's so compact, and it has a brush. The only thing that you need separately is a mirror, but yeah, I feel like overall this is a really good product. Online this is about $11 to $12. These eye pencils are about $10. These finger pen lippies are about $12 as well. So I'll make sure to link all of these products in the description box below. Alright, and that is it for my Korean beauty inspired makeup look using 16 brand Eye Magazine as well as the finger pens. I hope you guys liked this K-beauty inspired look. If you guys want to see more looks like this, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what you like to see next and subscribe so you join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!